Welcome to the Moraga 18-watt installation video. Moraga is a solar luminaire supported as a single solar post top or has a complete set with pole included, offered in black and gray finish. The Moraga fixture will contain a light head holder, remote, 4 M8 40mm screws, 2 M8 16mm screws, and a T-shaped wrench. To properly install, connect the light head holder with the light head and secure both components together until the smiling face is perfectly aligned. Tilt the light head and use a T-shaped wrench to screw on the 4 M8 40mm screws inside the light head holder, then tighten. Before proceeding, press the on button on the light head, then mount the light head on top of the pole. Use a T-shaped wrench to screw on the 2 M8 16mm screws and fix into proper position. Moraga's complete fixture set includes a decorative 10-foot high aluminum round pole. For more information, refer to the cut sheet on screen. After installation, press the test button on the remote control. The light will turn on for 1 minute, then turn off, indicating the system is working appropriately. As a reminder, the light will turn on automatically at night and work dusk to dawn with 100% lumen output for 4 hours, followed by 50% lumen output for the next 4 hours, and 30% lumen output for the remaining 5 hours. Before using the remote control, please double check and ensure the on-off button on the light head is at on position. Moraga's remote control has a range of 33 feet. To turn the light on, click the on button. To switch the light off, click the off button. Use the increase-decrease buttons to adjust the lumen output by 20%. Users can set desired output ranging from 20 to 100% constant lighting modes. Color temperature can be selected in either warm white at 3000 Kelvin or cool white at 4000 Kelvin. Activating Moraga's motion sensor option will trigger 100% lumen output response when motion is detected, followed by a 30-second standby period. The light will then dim down to 30% output when no motion is detected. Using the reset button will revert operation to default settings as 4 hours 100%, 4 hours 50%, and 5 hours 30%. To operate using the timer feature, choose the power constant first and select the required time. The 3 time buttons will ensure max output at required times. Thanks for watching.